हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में आपको 2020 से 2025 के बीच क्लास 10th सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में चैप्टर मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट से पूछे गए सारे प्रीवियस ईयर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मिलेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से, जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया था। द रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट P, situated midway between two parallel wires placed horizontally, each carrying a steady current I, is option A, in the same direction as the current in the wires, option B, in the vertically upward direction, option C, 0, or option D, in the vertically upward direction. And the correct answer is option C, 0. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेकंड, जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया है। A positron enters a uniform magnetic field at right angles to it, as shown. The direction of force experienced by the positron will be option A, to the right, option B, to the left, option C, into the page, or option D, out of the page. And the correct answer is option C, into the page. Third question, the correct pattern of magnetic field lines of the field produced by a current carrying loop is, and the correct answer is option C. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फोर्थ, जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया था। An alpha particle enters a uniform magnetic field as shown. The direction of force experienced by the alpha particle is option A, towards right, option B, towards left, option C, into the page, or option D, out of the page. And the correct answer is option D, out of the page. Next, fifth question. An alpha particle enters a uniform magnetic field as shown. The direction of motion of the alpha particle is option A, towards right, option B, towards left, option C, into the page, or option D, out of the page. And the correct answer is option D, out of the page. Next, sixth question. A constant current flows in a horizontal wire in the plane of the paper from east to west as shown in the figure. The direction of the magnetic field will be north to south at a point. Option A, directly above the wire. Option B, directly below the wire. Option C, located in the plane of the paper on the north side of the wire. Or option D, located in the plane of the paper on the south side of the wire. And the correct answer is option B, directly below the wire. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया था। An electric kettle consumes 1 kilowatt of electric power when operated at 220 volt. The minimum rating of the fuse wire to be used for it is option A, 1 ampere, option B, 2 ampere, option C, 4 ampere, or option D, 5 ampere. And the correct answer is option D, 5 ampere. Next, eighth question. For a current in a long straight solenoid, N and S poles are created at the two ends. Among the following statements, the incorrect statement is option A, the magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of straight lines, which indicates that the magnetic field is uniform at all points inside the solenoid. Option B, the strong magnetic field produced inside the solenoid can magnetize the soft iron placed inside it. Option C, the pattern of the magnetic field associated with a current carrying solenoid is different from the pattern of the magnetic field around a bar magnet. Option D, the N and S poles exchange positions when the direction of current through the solenoid is reversed. And the correct answer is option C, The pattern of the magnetic field associated with a current-carrying solenoid is different from the pattern of the magnetic field around a bar magnet. Next question, ninth question. The magnetic field inside a long, straight, current-carrying solenoid is option A 0, option B decreases as we move towards its ends, option C increases as we move towards its ends, or option D is same at all points. And the correct answer is option D, same at all points. Next, 10th question. An electron projected towards east is deflected towards south by a uniform magnetic field. The direction of the magnetic field is option A upwards, option B downwards, option C towards north, or option D towards west. And the correct answer is option B downwards. Next question. A student has a long, straight, thick copper wire. If he passes a current in this wire, he would get a magnetic field whose pattern must be option A radial lines originating from the wire, option B concentric circles centered around the wire, option C straight lines parallel to the wire, or option D straight lines perpendicular to the wire. And the correct answer is option B concentric circles centered around the wire. Next, 12th question. The pattern of the magnetic field produced inside a current carrying solenoid is, and the correct answer is option A. Next, and 13th question is strength of magnetic field produced by a current carrying solenoid does not depend upon option A number of turns in the solenoid, option B direction of the current flowing through it, option C radius of solenoid, or option D material of core of the solenoid. And the correct answer is option B direction of the current flowing through it. Next question 14. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको गिवन 4 स्टेटमेंट्स में से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट को चॉइस करना है. तो स्टेटमेंट ए है हमारा अ फ्यूज इन अ सर्किट प्रिवेंट्स डैमेज टू द सर्किट ड्यू टू ओवरलोडिंग. स्टेटमेंट बी टोटल रेसिस्टेंस इन अ सर्किट इंक्रीजेस ड्यू टू ओवरलोडिंग. Statement C. During short circuiting, the current in the circuit abruptly increases. Statement D. In order that each appliance has same current, they are connected in parallel to each other. And options are Statement A and Statement B, option B Statement B and Statement D, option C Statement A and Statement C, or option D Statement A, Statement C and Statement D. And the correct answer is option C Statement A and Statement C. Next question, 15th question. A rectangular loop ABCD carrying a current capital I is situated near a straight conductor XY such that the conductor is parallel to the side AB of the loop and is in the plane of the loop. If a steady current capital I is established in the conductor as shown, the conductor XY will option A remain stationary, option B move towards the side AB of the loop, option C move away from the side AB of the loop, or option D rotate about its axis. And the correct answer is option B move towards the side AB of the loop. Next question, 16th question. The current carrying device which produces a magnetic field similar to that of a bar magnet is option A straight conductor, option B a circular loop, option C a solenoid, or option D a circular coil. And the correct answer is option C a solenoid. Moving on to the next question, question number 17. A uniform magnetic field exists in the plane of paper as shown in the diagram. In this field, an electron and a positron enter as shown. The electron and positron experience forces. Option A, both pointing into the plane of the paper. Option B, both pointing out of the plane of the paper. Option C, pointing into the plane of the paper and out of the plane of the paper respectively. Or option D, pointing out of the plane of the paper and into the plane of the paper respectively. And the correct answer is option A, both pointing into the plane of the paper. Next, 18th question. Which one of the following statements is not true about a bar magnet? Option A, it sets itself in north-south direction when suspended freely. Option B, it has attractive power for iron fillings. Option C, it produces magnetic field lines. Option D, the direction of magnetic field lines inside a bar magnet is from its north pole to its south pole. And the correct answer is option D, the direction of magnetic field lines inside a bar magnet is from its north pole to its south pole. Question number 19. The strength of magnetic field produced inside a long straight current carrying solenoid does not depend upon option A, number of turns in the solenoid. Option B, direction of current flowing through the solenoid. Option C, material of the core filled inside the solenoid. Or option D, radius of the coil of the solenoid. And the correct answer is option B, direction of current flowing through the solenoid. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 जो कि 2025 में पूछा गया था. इन डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट्स द कलर ऑफ इंसुलेशन कवर्स ऑफ वायर्स इन द केबल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक आयन और इलेक्ट्रिक टोस्टर इज जनरली ऑप्शन ए रेड फॉर लाइव वायर, green for neutral wire and black for earth wire. Option B, red for live wire, black for neutral wire and green for earth wire. Option C, green for live wire, black for neutral wire and red for earth wire. Or option D, green for live wire, red for neutral wire and black for earth wire. And the correct answer is option B, red for live wire, black for neutral wire and green for earth wire. Next, question number 21. A steady current flows through a thick horizontal straight wire from east to west. The direction of magnetic field produced at a point above the wire is towards option A north, option B south, option C east or option D west. And the correct answer is option A north. Next, and question number 22 is a uniform magnetic field. Option A always exerts a force on a current carrying conductor. Option B never exerts a force on a current carrying conductor. Option C exerts a force only when current flows through a conductor along the direction of the field. Or option D exerts a force only when current flows through a conductor at right angles to the field. And the correct answer is option D, exerts a force only when current flows through a conductor at right angles to the field. तो इतने ही क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास इस चैप्टर से पूछे गए थे. मैंने वीडियो को शॉर्ट रखने के लिए इसमें कोई भी एक्सप्लेनेशन ऐड नहीं किया है, बट अगर किसी